Okay, Year 10s, this is your last video. It is an optional extension, but if this is what you're doing, it is the last video you're looking at. So solving quadratics. So in this case, we've got it not equal to 0, we've got it equal to something else. And that's why it's a slightly different problem. So let's start by copying out the question, as we should now be well accustomed to. And the first thing we're going to do here is expand our brackets. So that will give us x squared plus 2x minus 5x minus 10 equals 8. So I'm going to simplify these two terms, and so that will give us x squared minus 3x minus 10 equals 8. Now, usually quadratics have 0 on one side, and so that's what we need to do here. And the way we're going to do that is by subtracting 8 from both sides of the equals. And so when we do that, we end up with x squared minus 3x minus 18 equals 0. Now that we've done this, we can factorise it again back into two brackets, looking for two terms that add to negative 3 but times to negative 18. So the factors of 18 that come to mind are 9 and 2 and 6 and 3. And if we have negative 6 and positive 3, those two numbers will work. So now that we've got our quadratic like this, we can easily solve it. So we can just say that either x minus 6 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. And each of these just have simple steps to solve. Minus 3, so we've got x equals negative 3. And so those are our final two answers. So we can just write and say either x equals 6 or x equals negative 3. And I don't know why we've lost our 6 there, but we'll put it back. Okay, so hopefully you get the idea. You just expand, bring your number back over to the other side, and then when you've got it equaling 0, factorise back into two brackets, and then you're away laughing. So exercise 11.17 is your work to do, and I hope you enjoyed this unit in algebra.